Midjourney is one of the world's most popular AI-based text-to-image generation programs, but you can only use it via Discord. My name is Yadullah, you're watching Candid.Technology, and in this video we're talking about how you can link your Discord to Midjourney.
Now, if you want to use Midjourney, you'll have to connect the Midjourney bot to your own Discord account. There are two ways of doing it. You can either sign in with Midjourney and it'll automatically redirect you to Discord, or you can just simply join their server. Now, joining their server does not necessarily mean you'll be able to use Midjourney, but it will allow you to see whatever's going on. So for this approach, since we want to connect Midjourney to our account, we're going to click the sign in button. Clicking the sign in button will open this window where Discord will ask you to choose an account to log in. And once you've logged in, you will get something like this. So this is the Midjourney server where you can see everything, what's going on, and well, you'll have access to all of Midjourney's tools. Now, in order to join Midjourney, you'll have to get a subscription. We have a full explanation on that on our in-depth how to use Midjourney video. But regardless, once you're here, you'll have access to Midjourney and everything. You can access the bot right from here. You can use the add app button to add it to any servers that you want. And if you have a subscription, of course, you can head over to your direct messages and you can start talking to the Midjourney bot right in your Discord inbox. And that is how you connect Midjourney to Discord.
If you like these videos, consider subscribing, give us a thumbs up, press the bell icon, and tell us in the comments below what more such content can we bring for you. If you want to know more about tech, visit our website, Candid.Technology. Follow us on social media, follow me on Instagram or Twitter, and we'll see you in the next video.